Test drive the 2017 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, all-wheel drive, passenger airbag, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, compass, remote power door locks, fog lamps, heated driver's seat, power windows, daytime running lights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.